Good afternoon, students. Welcome to today's maths class. So today let us start exercise 2b. In that first question, estimate the sum of each pair of numbers to the nearest 10. Okay, so you have to find the sum of the given number to the nearest 10. First one, 67 and 44. So first step is you have to round off these given numbers to nearest 10. Okay, 67 on rounding off to nearest 10 it will be 70, and 44 on rounding off to nearest 10 it will be 40. Now finding their sum, what you will get? 70 plus 40, you will get 110. This is the answer. Okay, it is very simple. Second one, 34 and 87. 34 and 87. So 34 on rounding off to nearest 10 it will be 30. 87 on rounding off to nearest 10 it will be 90. Now finding their sum, what you will get? 30 plus 90, 120 is the answer. Okay, in that eighth one, 474 and 173. So 474 on rounding off to nearest 10 you will get 470, and 173 to the nearest 10 it is 170. Now adding these two, what you will get? 0, here 4, 640 will be the answer. Okay, ninth one, 527 and 267. So 527 on rounding off to nearest 10 you will get a 530. Now 267 on rounding off to nearest 10 you will get 270. So on adding, what you will get? It is 800. Okay. In that second one, estimate the sum of each pair of numbers to the nearest 100. So you have to round off the given numbers to nearest 100 and then find their sum. Okay. First one, 336 and 782. 336 on rounding off to nearest 100, what you will get? It is 300. Okay, 782 on rounding off to nearest 100 you will get 800. Now on adding, what you will get? It is 1100. Okay, in that second one, 546 and 342. So 546 on rounding off to nearest 100 you will get a 500, and 342 on rounding off to nearest 100 you will get 300. So on adding, you will get 800 as the answer. Okay, in that sixth one, 30,047 and 39,287. Okay, so nearest 100, 30,047 to the nearest 100 you will get 30,000. 39,287 on rounding off to nearest 100, what you will get? 39,300. Okay, now on adding, what you will get? It is 69,300. So this is the answer. In that third question, estimate the sum of the following pairs of numbers to the nearest 1000. Okay, so you have to first round off the given numbers to nearest 1000 and then find its sum. In that first question, 53,826 and 36,455. So 53,826 on rounding off to nearest 1000. What you will get? 54,000. Okay, 36,455 on rounding off to nearest 1000. You will get 36,000. Now on adding, what you will get? It is 90,000. So 90,000 is the answer. Fourth question, estimate the following differences correct to the nearest 10. So you have to find the difference here, that is subtraction you have to do here. Okay, to the nearest 10. First one, 82 minus 27. So first round off the given numbers to the nearest 10. Okay, 82 on rounding off to nearest 10 you will get 80, and 27 on rounding off to nearest to 10 you will get 30. Now 80 minus 30 you will get 50 as answer. Okay, second one, 96 minus 36. So 96 and 36 you can round off to the nearest 10 first. So 96 it will be 100, to the nearest 10 it is 100, 36 to the nearest 10 it is 40. So 100 minus 40 you will get 60. Fifth question, estimate each difference to the nearest 100. So here you have to find the difference to the nearest 100. First round off the given numbers to nearest 100, then find their difference. Okay, first question, 769 minus 314. So 769 on rounding off to nearest 100, what you will get? It is 800. Okay, 314 on rounding off to nearest 100 you will get 300. Now finding their difference, it is 500. Okay, 500 is the answer here. In that third one, 6352 minus 2086. So first you have to round off these numbers to the nearest 100. Okay, 6352 on rounding off to nearest 100, what you will get? It is 6400. Okay, 2086 on rounding off to nearest 100, what you will get? It is 2100. Now finding their difference, you will get 4300 as answer. Now sixth question, estimate each difference to the nearest 1000. So first what to do? Round off the given numbers to nearest 1000, then find their difference. Okay, first question, 45,974 minus 38,766. So first rounding off these numbers to nearest 1000, what you will get? 45,974. It will be 46,000. Okay, 38,766 will be 39,000. On rounding off to nearest 1000 you will get this. Now on subtracting you will get 7,000 as answer. Okay. Seventh question, estimate each of the following products by rounding off each number to the nearest 10. So here you have to find the product. That means you have to do multiplication. Now you have to find the product by rounding off each number to the nearest 10. So after rounding off the given numbers to nearest 10, you have to find the product. Okay. First question, 49 into 52. So 49 on rounding off to nearest 10, what you will get? It is 50. 52 on rounding off to nearest 10, you will get 50. Okay, now 50 into 50. You know 5 into 5, 25, 2 zeros that you can put. So 2500 is the answer. Okay, in that fifth question, 74 into 67. So 74 on rounding off to nearest 10, what you will get? It is 70. 67 on rounding off to nearest 10, you will get 70 only. So 70 into 70. 7 into 7, 49. Now 2 zeros you can put. 4900 is the answer. In that sixth question, 25 into 33. Okay, so 25 on rounding off to nearest 10, what you will get? It is 30. And 33 on rounding off to nearest 10, you will get 30 only. So 30 into 30, it is 900. Okay, let us do one more problem. Second one, 63 into 38. Okay, 63 on rounding off to nearest 10, what you will get? It is 60. 38 on rounding off to nearest 10, you will get 40. Okay, so 60 into 40, what you will get? It is 2400. In that eighth question, Estimate each of the following products by rounding off each number to the nearest 100. First question, 477 into 213. So here you have to find the product by rounding off each number to the nearest 100. That is, first round off the given numbers to nearest hundreds and then find their product. Okay, 477 on rounding off to nearest 100, what you will get? It is 500. Okay, 213 on rounding off to nearest 100, what you will get? It is 200. Now 500 into 200. Actually it is simple, 5 into 2. It is 10. Now how many zeros in total? In both 500 and 200, how many zeros are there in total? First you find 1, 2, 3, 4. So that many zeros you can put in the answer. So this will be the answer. That is 1 lakh is the answer. Okay. In that second question, 624 into 236. So 624, first you round off to the nearest 100. What you will get? 600. Okay. 236 on rounding off to nearest 100. It is 200. Now find their product. So 6 into 2, it is 12. Now in total, in 600 and 200, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So that many zeros you can put in the answer. Okay. So 1,20,000. This is the answer. In that sixth one, 472 into 328. So first what to do? 472 and 328 you round off to the nearest 100. Okay, it is given in the question. So 472 on rounding off to nearest 100, what you will get? It is 500. Now 328 on rounding off to nearest 100, you will get 300. Now finding their product. 5 into 3, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros are there, so that you can put in the answer. 1,50,000. This is the answer. In that ninth question, estimate each of the following products by rounding off the first number correct to the nearest 10 and the other number correct to the nearest 100. First question, 28 into 287. So what is given in the question? First number you have to round off to the nearest 10. Second number or the other number you have to round off to the nearest 100 and then find their product. Okay. So 28 you have to round off to the nearest 10. It is given in the question. First number to the nearest 10 and the other number to the nearest 100. So 28 on rounding off to nearest 10, what you will get? It is 30. 287 on rounding off to the nearest hundreds. Okay, what you will get? It is 300. Now 30 into 300 you have to find. Okay, so 3 into 3, 9. Now how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. So that 3 zeros you can put here. 9,000 is the answer. Okay. Now in that second one, 432 and 128. 432 into 128. So 432 you have to round off to the nearest 10. First number you have to round off to nearest 10. That's why. So what you will get? 430 into second number you have to round off to the nearest 100. So 128 on rounding off to nearest hundreds. What you will get? It is 100. Okay. Now 430 into 100. What you will get? It is 43,000. So this is the answer. In that sixth one, 44 into 250. So first number round off to nearest 10 and second number round off to nearest 100. 44 to the nearest 10. What you will get? 40. 250 to the nearest hundreds. It is 300. Okay. So 40 into 300. 4 into 3 it is 12. 1, 2, 3. In total 3 zeros. So 12,000 is the answer. Now 10th question, estimate each of the following quotients by converting each number to the nearest 10. In that first question, 87 divided by 28. So here you have to convert each number to the nearest 10 first. Then you find their quotient. Okay, that is, then you divide. So 87 divided by 28, 87 on rounding off to nearest 10, what you will get? 90. Okay, now 28 on converting to the nearest 10, what you will get? It is 30. Now 90 divided by 30, what is the quotient? 90 you just divide by 30, you will get 3 as quotient. So 3 is the answer. In that second one, 84 divided by 23. So first you have to round off each number to the nearest 10 and then find their quotient. Okay, 84 on rounding off to nearest 10, what you will get? It is 80. 23 on rounding off to nearest 10, it is 20. Now what is 80 divided by 20? 80 on dividing by 20, you will get 4 as answer. Okay, so 4 is the answer. In that sixth one, 444 divided by 42. So 444 and 42, first you round off to the nearest 10. Then find their quotient. Okay, 444 on rounding off to nearest 10, what you will get? It is 440. Now 42 on rounding off to nearest 10, what you will get? It is 40. Now 440 divided by 40. So 40 into 140, here 40. 40 into 140, remainder you will get 0. So 11. 440 divided by 40, you will get 11 as answer. That seventh one, 843 divided by 33. So 843 and 33, first you round off to nearest 10. Then find their quotient. Okay, 843 on rounding off to nearest 10. You will get 840. 33 on rounding off to nearest 10. You will get 30. Now 840 you just divide by 30. You will get 28 as quotient. Okay, so 840 divided by 30, 28. This is the answer. Now remaining problems of exercise 2B you do as homework. So this much for this class. Thank you.